Guys, yan nagluluto si Coach Kim ng egg. Yan, March 27. Siyempre si Coach Kim dyan ang isa. Let's go! Yan mga kaidol, March 27 na kanta may pagkana din mga basketballero yung mga kaidol. Wow! Dito. Morning! Morning! Oh my God! Kuya, pakapi-kapi na lang, oh. Kuya! Hoy! Ayan, kakatukin natin. Knock, knock! Knock, knock!
Gago!
Ayan. Morning, guys! Breakfast! Hurry up, man! Let's move! Let's go!
Hoy!
Morning, DC!
Wala kaming pakialam!
Makulambo. Ito mga kumbok naman to eh. Guys, let's go. Good morning.
Oh no!
Rosario. Rosario! Good morning!
Oh no!
Morning! MVP! Kevin Cosme! Morning! MVP namin yun. Kevin! Nagising na yung banto pa. Let's go! Hello guys! Good morning! Wake up! Wake up! You know.
Oh no!
Ay, Bisan Colen. Marlon. Morning, Marlon.
Wow!
Morning, wake up. Breakfast. Dito. Oh, no. Good morning.
Kung iniisip mong maaga akong nagising, nagkakamali ka dahil hindi pa ako natutulog.
Good morning, guys. Pero umbok to yung mga ano.
Gago!
Oh, yan o. Pero... Hey guys, morning, Dandan! Dandan! Good morning, wake up! Good morning, Dandan! And, Miss Friend Colin! What? Good morning, good morning!
What the fuck?
Let's go, morning, ano, you eat, let's go!
Gago!
Let's go, man! Ayan, kakatukin natin. Knock, knock! Knock, knock! Yan. Morning, guys! Breakfast! Hurry up, man! Let's move! Let's go! Morning, TC! Ito makulambo. Ito mga umbok mga to. Guys, let's go. Good morning. Good morning. Yan. Rosario. Rosario! Good morning! Yan. Morning! MVP! Kevin Cosme! Kevin! Morning! MVP namin yan, all. Kevin! Doon tayo sa kabila. Nagising na yung ibang tropa. Let's go! Hello guys, good morning. Wake up in the morning. You know, ay Bisan Colen. Yan, nandun sa Marlon. Morning, Marlon. Morning, wake up, breakfast. Kising na dun. Yun. Yan ito. Oh, Ro, good morning. Si Ro pala. Good morning guys. Pero umbok to yung mga ano, yan o. Si Ro. Hey guys, morning, Dandan! Dandan! Good morning, wake up! Good morning, Dandan! And, Miss Friend Colin! Good morning, good morning! Wake up, morning, let's go, morning, ano, you eat, let's go! Good morning, Colin! My best friend Colin, no? Yan, let's go, man! O, coach, ano nakasilipay na sila?
Oh, hindi. Nalo tayo. Hindi.
Manalo nga tayo, mas mapainas.
Manalo tayo.
Oo.
Mas
So ano?
Mag-finance kami. Gusto namin manalo. So, routine namin. Prepare ng breakfast. Yung mga coaches. Kami, hindi lang yung pag-coach namin. Luto. prepare, tapos practice, tapos lunch, tapos pahinga, tulog, tapos 2 hours, tapos alis kami, biyahe kami para niyo. So yun ang daily routine ng mga coaches na ano namin, hindi lang kami na nagko-coach na we also take care, have the responsibility to take care of all the players. Kasi yung iba ng mga parents, we are the second parent. So, i-stick ko dahil para walang ano, kasi yung last time, ano yung that's my responsibility pag may anong nangyari doon, lahat.
Tama, coach.
Everything na may ano dyan, hindi ano ng mga pero at saka yung assistant coach, always the head coach and the program director's responsibility. So, yan ang ano
Okay.
dyan. Alright.
Okay, good, coach. Thank you, coach. Aldo Madrid. Okay, man. Let's go! March 27, mga ka-idol. Coach Ski. Cheers natin, no? Yan. So, bagay Bagay Ulen. Ulen. Thank you.